This video will show you how to use the EcoPill. EcoPill is an eco-friendly blister pack consisting of 28 detachable cells. It is manufactured using a zero-waste process without PVC or other potentially toxic materials and contains 30% recycled plastic. It is the sturdiest blister packaging on the market, making it highly efficient on automation platforms. The sturdiness also means better protection for medication. EcoPill comes with an ergonomic assembly tray that facilitates preparation and verification. The labels are made from 100% recycled fibers and biodegradable adhesive. The cells are less reflective and make verification easier. Modifications can be made to individual cells or to the entire blister pack. This eco-friendly blister packaging is an opportunity for you to position yourself in a positive light as consumers' expectations regarding the environment continue to increase. Once detached, the cell's rounded edges eliminate the risk of cuts. To successfully integrate sustainable packaging into your pharmacy, communication is key. The EcoPill's Fold and Go feature allows you to fold and dispense a filled and sealed blister pack without using a plastic bag. This product is available from most Canadian distributors. A selection of complementary accessories is also available on our website.